Tell-all testimony from a self-confessed former member of the notoriously infamous Davao Death Squad is implicating the former president, the current vice president, and the former Philippine National Police chief of not only being involved in the illegal drugs trade, but of also ordering the deaths of many. With a tale fit for a bestseller novel, those whose names are being smeared immediately express their respective reactions and denials to the explosive allegations. Patrick De Jesus has more.
Retired Davao Police Officer Arturo Las Cañas has gave his testimonies last year to the International Criminal Court on the alleged extrajudicial killings in Davao City. Las Cañas is a self-confessed member of the Davao Death Squad and hitman of former President Rodrigo Duterte when he was still a mayor. Las Cañas said no one bribed him to show up again and added the ICC has accepted his affidavit.
Meron akong binigay doon na maliban doon sa 186 na computer print affidavit ko, meron din akong handwritten testimony na nakalagay ito po sa isang malaking notebook. In fact, nilagyan ko ng title ng notebook na yun na From Darkness to Light. In fact, tinanggap ito ng Office of the Prosecutor.
Las Cañas then named Vice President Sara Duterte as the brains behind Oplan Tokhang when she was still the Davao mayor.
Hindi lang niya alam na yung ginagawa ng kanyang tatay na drug war, bogus drug war. Nag-imbento talaga siya ng bagong trademark ng extrajudicial killings in the name of Tokhang. At dito, pinayagan niya si Police Colonel Ronald Batu de la Rosa na i-impose ito sa Davao City. Ang dami pong namamatay dito, ang daming namimissing. Nag-imbestigar ba si Sara Duterte? Wala. Nag-imbestigar ba ang Davao City Council? Wala. Nag-imbestigar ba ang Commission on Human Rights? Wala. Hawak nila lahat.
VP Sara once again denied her connection to the Davao Death Squad.
Bago ang script na ito. Sa mga taon na nagsilbi ako bilang Vice Mayor at Mayor ng Davao City, ni minsan ay hindi naugnay ang aking pangalan sa isyong ito. Bigla na lang nagkaroon ng testigo laban sa akin nang mahalal ako na Vice President. At kabilang na nga ako ngayon sa mga akusado sa International Criminal Court.
She reiterates all complaints against her should only be filed here in the Philippines.
Ang pagpupumilit ng ICC na pakialaman ang ating hudikatura ay panghihimasok sa ating soberanya. Paglapasangan ito sa dignidad ng mga Pilipino at sa karangalan ng Pilipinas. Wala na itong debate sa testigo at mga tao na nakapalikod sa kanya. Mag-file kayo ng kasong murder laban sa akin dito sa Pilipinas.
Meanwhile, Las Cañas also name-dropped Senator Ronald de la Rosa, who was then Colonel and Davao Police Chief, as well as Senator Bongo, on the alleged Davao Death Squad. Senator Go calls the statement of Las Cañas as pure fabrication and lies, and added that former President Duterte never gave such an order. Go also said that the issue is rehashed and no evidence has been presented as of yet. While De La Rosa's response on the allegations of Las Cañas,
pabaya mo lang yan siya, mag-alig siya na mag-alig. Nasa malinis ang konsensya ko, bahala siya sa buhay.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has previously declared the ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.